In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Looker Studio with Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to create stunning interactive reports by seamlessly integrating your Google Sheets data into Looker Studio, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in and take this step-by-step journey together. First, make sure you're logged into Looker Studio. To begin, head over to Looker Studio's website. Once you're there, you'll want to start by clicking on the option to create a new blank report. This is your canvas, where your data will soon transform into insightful reports. Next, you'll need to bring in some data for your report. So go ahead and look for the button labeled Add Data. With this button, we're opening the door to a plethora of possibilities for data visualization. Once you click Add Data, you'll be presented with different sources and options to choose from. For today's purpose, let's focus on incorporating data from Google Sheets. So you'll want to select Google Sheets from the list of available connectors. Google Sheets acts as a bridge, providing you access to all the spreadsheets associated with your Google account. After clicking on Google Sheets, you'll see a list of all the sheets you own. Take a moment to browse through this list and locate the specific Google Sheet you wish to use in your report. Perhaps it's a financial analysis, a marketing dashboard, or simply a collection of important data. Whatever it is, ensure that it's the right one. When you've identified your desired sheet, click on it to highlight your selection. To officially integrate this data into your Looker Studio report, you'll need to click Add. And just like magic, your Google Sheet is now connected to Looker Studio. This seamless integration allows you to bring your data to life through dynamic and interactive reports. Your data is all set to be visualized, analyzed, and shared in a way that's both meaningful and impactful. And that's it. By connecting Google Sheets to Looker Studio, you've laid the foundation for creating beautiful and insightful data stories. Feel free to explore the features Looker Studio offers, like charts, graphs, and filters, to enhance your reports further. The possibilities are endless when you combine the familiarity of Google Sheets with the powerful reporting capabilities of Looker Studio. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you're excited to continue exploring and visualizing your data like never before.